The title for today's presentation is Crafting Your Perfect Home Office, Tips and Tricks. Hey folks, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of home offices, the hub of productivity and the key to achieving the perfect work-life balance. So grab a cup of coffee, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. First things first, what exactly is a home office? Well, it's your personal workspace within the comfort of your home. Whether you're a freelancer, remote worker, or just someone who needs a dedicated space to get things done, a home office is the answer. Now, why has the home office become so popular? Well, the rise of remote work has played a significant role. With more people embracing flexible work arrangements, having a designated space at home has become essential. Plus, who wouldn't want to skip the commute and work in their pajamas? But where's the best place to set up your home office? Ideally, choose a quiet spot away from distractions. A spare room or a cozy corner in your living room can work wonders. Just make sure it's a space where you can focus and be productive. Now, when it comes to designing your home office, think of functionality. Consider ergonomic furniture, good lighting, and a splash of inspiration to keep those creative juices flowing. Personalize it to make it your own. But what if you don't have enough space for a home office? Don't worry, get creative. Transform a closet, use a foldable desk, or even set up shop in a corner of your bedroom. The key is to find a space that suits your needs without cramping your style. What is the one absolute must-have for a home office? A comfortable chair. Trust me, your back will thank you later. Investing in a good chair is a game changer for your productivity and overall well-being. Now here's a thought. Could having a home office raise your home's price in the future? It's a possibility. A well-designed, functional home office can add value to your property, especially in a world where remote work is becoming the norm. Before diving into the world of home offices, consider a few things. Set boundaries to maintain a work-life balance. Make sure your internet connection can handle the workload. And after setting up your home office, take breaks and step outside to avoid the infamous cabin fever. In conclusion, creating a home office is not just about having a workspace. It's about cultivating an environment that fosters productivity and happiness. So, whether you're a seasoned remote worker or just starting out, use these tips to craft a home office that works for you. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. As always, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.